Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the award-worthy beauty box from Walmart. Typically the Walmart beauty boxes are seasonal. They did email me and asked if I wanted this one-off box for $5, which covers the cost of shipping, so I said yes. So we'll take a look at what's inside. They normally send some pretty good boxes. It says there's a special offer. You get a couple issues of InStyle. And the box was pretty heavy. So let's see what we got. There's a sample size of Secret Clinical Strength Soft Liquid Light and Fresh Deodorant. I actually use this stuff and really like it. So I like when they send me samples because they're good for travel or your gym bag. Then from Olay, it says it's a trial size called Whip Light as Air. Powerful wrinkle result without heaviness. It's an active moisturizer. We'll see how big it is because the box is pretty big even though it says it's a trial. Open it up and take a look. So it's just a little container like that. Cute packaging. Next up, I have Olay Cleansing Infusion. It says it's Hydrating Glow Body Wash. I took a look at the Target beauty boxes for this month, and I want to say this was in there. It was some kind of hydrating body wash. It might be this. The Target ones are out if you're watching this when this gets posted, which is on a Monday. Just came out. Then we have Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. That's almost an ounce size. And then Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume Conditioner. Huh. So I wonder if this is, let's see, into wet hair after shampooing, rinse off. Okay, so if you watched my Influencer unboxing, I had a foam conditioner that I used in the shower, and that was my first time seeing that or trying that, and it's pretty cool. Works pretty well, so I'm very excited to try the Pantene version of it because typically I've liked their shampoo and products in the past. So that's a good one. And then we have a coconut sheet mask. Brightening, 94% natural. Looks like it's a full one in there. So pretty good. I think for $5 this was a really great deal. So that's what I got. If you want to sign up for one, I'll put a link below. I don't know if they're still available, but I'll put everything in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.